Hey guys, how you doing? Today I am filming my, what is this? My March Boxycharm. I'm filming, still sitting in my desk chair instead of my normal filming chair because Harley is occupying my filming chair and he wouldn't let me get out of it. Like, he wouldn't give it to me to film and I didn't want to kick him out because, like, when he participates, I don't want to discourage that, if that makes sense. Boxycharm, I haven't seen any teasers, so let's jump right into it. You guys know what Boxycharm is. It is a monthly subscription service that sends goodies to your house for a fee. If you're interested, I'm going to put a link in the description bar, which is an affiliate link. I get a small portion of that if you decide to sign up using my code, but listen, if you don't want to do that, that's alright. I won't be offended. Just go to Boxycharm directly. I just got home from work, so I'm in professional mode. Wearing my sweater and my hair is a mess, but okay. Anyway, this month's Boxycharm is La Vie en Rose. Yeah, so it looks cool. Everything, just opening it up right away, everything kind of has like a rosy tone to it, so that's pretty cool. Right away I see some brushes, so let's just jump right into it. I see, what are these? The Moda brushes. It's the Powder and Soft Glow Kit. It is an MSRP of $29.99. These look awesome. I actually have bought brushes like this at IMAX and the makeup show in years past. Oh wow, they look they look hostile. They look aggressive, if I'm gonna be completely honest. Woo, look at it. Really pretty rose gold. Or like, you know, pink. Rose gold. It's like fashion. Like, everything's rose gold. No, it's pink. It's really pretty. And it feels nice. Yeah, I like that. Alright, so that's a regular powder brush, and this looks like one of those highlighty brushes, which I really like. And I like the way it's kind of pointy at the bottom, because then, like, my brushes, these are dirty brushes, so just ignore. I stick them in here, and then, like, if they're packed, it could, like, stab its way into my glass. It's very aggressive. I'm feeling very aggressive towards this. Anyway, so there's a powder and a soft glow brush. That's worth 30 bucks. Okay, you know what, I should tell you guys how much this box weighs, because every single time people ask me what it weighs. I don't see it. I don't see it. I'm gonna cover my name. I don't see it anywhere. Like, I don't see the weight on the box. It just says US postage paid, Smart Post. Sasha has joined the party. Okay, so this next thing is from Wonder Beauty. This is really pretty packaging. It's a lift off, purifying and brightening peel off mask, which is awesome. I love peel off mask. Hi, sweet girl. Hi. You want to help mommy and her viewers see what's in the box? Huh? She's so sweet, isn't she? Hi, my little sweet. Look at her little face. Come here, Sasha. Come here, Sasha. You want to see what this is right here? Want to see it? Do you like Wonder Beauty, Sasha? You like Wonder Beauty? Okay, nope, now Harley's on the chair. This is what I'm saying. This house is, I'm infested with kitties. Okay, Sasha. Okay, so this is a value of $34. It says containing a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, I don't know how to say that, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. So I really love like peel off masks. I feel like it's just fun. It's like the whole popping pimple thing, right? Like it's like when we were kids and Sasha, when we were kids and we put Elmer's glue on our hand and then you peel it off. Like, am I the only one that's done that? I don't know. Let's move this mirror because Sasha is going to freaking break everything right now. Sasha. Alright, so the next thing, and that's a value of $34. The next thing in here is super pretty. It's a liquid eyeshadow by Appeal. It's a MSRP of $21. This highly pigmented liquid shadow is exactly what your vanity is missing. Let's try this out, actually, because it looks really pretty. What? What, Sasha? She's like, Sammy, you know what happens when you try things on camera, but we're going to try anyway. I'm going to just try a little bit. I mean, heck, what's the worst that could happen? Looks like crap and ruins my video. What do I care about that? Alright, let's see. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Do you guys see this? Do you see this right now? Oh, you can't because this is so, look at that. You can't see it because this is so, I'm like blinding the camera right now. Okay. This is so pretty. Alright. So it looks like this. It's just a pretty copper. It's really nice. I like it. Sasha, don't make mommy take away your desk privileges. Don't make me take away your desk privileges. Do. I don't want it to crease all over and get like yucky. Okay. Stop it. Get down. Get down. You little naughty girl. My viewers are going to hate you because you're just acting out. Okay, so the next thing in here is by Ofra, Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Monaco. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is an MSRP of 20, so let's try this on. Truth be told, I haven't always been like the biggest fan of Ofra lip products. I'm not feeling the eyes and the lips together, but this is a pretty color. I'm not the hugest fan of Ofra lip colors, so I'm a little like meh on this. Let me actually just take this off before it dries. Nuh-uh. We don't want to live that life. So that is the next product. I feel like I'm all over the place right now. The last product in the box is by CoverFX, and it is Complexion Essentials Travel Family Kit. It's MSRP of $45. Let's see what this is. This is really pretty, but this white is going to be a problem. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is so gorgeous. I'm going to use that right now. There's like something on the, yeah, there's something on the mirror. Ooh, ooh, ooh! Got to see myself up close. It's not a good look. Let's try this finishing powder. See what this is about. See if it makes me look finished. I love CoverFX. I think they make a really high quality product. Okay, so let's try the contour. My brushes are dirty, don't judge me. So let's try the contour. This is like a cool tone contour. Woo, okay. I put a lot on, but that's alright. I look like all over the place in this video because all these random products I'm putting on right now. Not to mention my skin is like hella blotchy today. Blush that's in here as well. Pretty. And last but not least, we're going to use the highlighter, which looks amazing. Yeah, the highlighter is pretty dynamite. Look at that. Wowza. Who says wowza anymore, Samantha? That's pretty. I mean, it gives me hella texture, but that's alright. Alright guys, that's it. That's Boxycharm. What's my final thoughts? The CoverFX, I've already gotten the lid dirty, but that's really, really nice. I like the peel off mask. I'm excited for that. Sasha is now behind my butt. The lipstick, I could really do without. I could have used the powder brushes for my face today. Those are really cute. And the liquid eyeshadow is really pretty. So I'd say 4 out of 5 were a definite hit, and I'm excited for. I hope you guys enjoyed this month's Boxycharm unboxing. I know it was a quick one. I just wanted to throw this together real quick for you guys. I love you. I miss you. I'm going to film this weekend, so more content will be coming soon because I am a lazy bitch and I never film because I'm so lazy and busy. So when I'm not busy, I'm lazy. So that's it. Now I have a goober on my lip and it was a Sasha hair. I love you guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up and I will see you next time. Okay. Bye guys.